Kia has introduced the 2026 Kia K4 sedan, a stylish and value-focused compact sedan that replaces the outgoing Forte and competes directly with models like the Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, and Hyundai Elantra. With bold design, practical interior space, strong standard features, and competitive pricing, the K4 continues Kia's reputation for delivering well-equipped vehicles at accessible prices. The 2026 K4 sedan offers two powertrain choices. Most trims use a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine, producing 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission, or CVT, and front-wheel drive. This setup prioritizes smooth operation and solid fuel efficiency, with estimated ratings around 28 to 34 mpg combined, depending on configuration. The range-topping GT Line Turbo upgrades to a 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. It is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters, providing quicker acceleration and a more engaging driving experience. Both powertrains are front-wheel drive only, with no all-wheel drive or hybrid options currently available. The K4 sedan features a distinctive and modern exterior design, with a long, sleek profile, sharp character lines, and a prominent front grille. Slim LED lighting signatures and available larger alloy wheels give it a more premium and dynamic appearance than many traditional compact sedans. Available in multiple trims including LX, LSS, EX, GT Line, and GT Line Turbo, the K4 offers various styling packages that enhance its sporty character. The overall proportions strike a good balance between visual appeal and practicality, helping the sedan stand out in a competitive segment. Inside, the K4 sedan prioritizes space and technology. The cabin offers comfortable seating for 5 with competitive rear legroom and a practical trunk capacity of approximately 14.6 cubic feet. Higher trims feature upgraded materials, available Syntex upholstery, heated front seats, and a more premium feel. A dual-screen setup with a large touchscreen and digital instrument cluster is available on most models, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Standard and available features include advanced driver assistance systems, dual-zone climate control, and a quality audio system. The overall layout is user-friendly and well-equipped for the price point. The 2026 K4 sedan starts at approximately $22,290 to $23,385 for the base LX trim, including destination, depending on market reporting. Higher trims, such as the EX and GT line, sit in the mid-$20,000 range, while the GT Line Turbo begins around the high $20,000 to low $30,000. This pricing keeps the K4 among the more affordable new sedans available in the United States.